like a boss.
Huh. Huh. Huh.
Live from the USA, helping you get paid every day. This is the boss of Bitcoin, the Cristo of crypto. It's your boy BK. And if you don't like me, you must not like money. Thank you for joining me, everybody. Today is February 20th. As we can see, Bitcoin is taking up all the money in the market right now, sitting north at $11,000. As we can see, the altcoins are weakening by the day, and that is exactly why I wanted to jump on the air and report this market action to you guys. I don't often like to be the bearer of bad news, but somebody's got to do it. I clicked through all these YouTube videos today, didn't see nobody speaking about this correction about to happen to the altcoin, so I decided to take it upon myself and empower you guys with a little bit of knowledge and insight into the crypto markets and the charts. If this is your first time tuning in, congratulations, baby. You are now rocking with the best. My name is BK. You know me as the crypto trader and the boss of these charts, as you will soon find out. Every day I grace this microphone with my voice is another day. You get the profit as a result. Today is no exception. So go on ahead, smash that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button, turn your notifications on. I'm giving away money to the people every time I speak into this microphone. 23,000 strong and growing every day. You know what I'm saying? If you want to support the community, patreon.com at BK Crypto Trader and bossofbitcoin.com as well. For your crypto trading resources. Let's get somebody paid. We're going into the #1 Bitcoin group in the world. I had a contest going earlier to share a post. What's the date? 220. We gonna go with 4 from Big Nick. 4 up. 1, 2, 3. King Wayne. Bam! You are the winner of the day. I can't comment on this post, Big King, but shoot me your Bitcoin wallet and I will send you a couple bucks in BTC as a token of my appreciation. I haven't seen your face before. Look like you shining driving to work on a Monday morning. I appreciate the support, brother. You know, any way I could be a service to you guys, I try to do it. If giving away some money out my pocket, I make it I give away a couple $100 every month, just to pay it forward and bring people over to the blockchain, because I think this is the best chance we have as a people to empower ourselves and change this position, this juxtaposition that we have within humanity, right? So here we go. #1 Bitcoin group in the world. Come on in. The doors are always open. 20,000 community members coming together to keep each other empowered and in profit in the marketplace. And as we can see, if you understand the boss method, we do fractal harmonics. This is the key right here. 7 and 77 on a 343. It's only 16 comments on this post. That means it's not that many options out there, which is another reason why I feel like this is the calm before the storm. When you're struggling to find a safe haven to put your Bitcoin into to accumulate more Bitcoin, then indeed we're in a flex point in the market, right? And I did do a video on Ethereum not too long ago. I think that was like yesterday or something, where I said Ethereum will fall to 0.085 BTC. So I'm actually going to do an update to this one right now. Right. So I said Ethereum will fall 0.085. Boom, boom. We hit that and we kept going. So now I did not think we were going to break that line. We really needed to stay in that zone, right? But now that we fell, that's fine. I'm just going to go in and use that 0.085 as a floor. And, this will be our update chart for the day. I'll make one on Omisigo. I just did Omisigo not too long ago, but I'll do a chart on Omisigo for tomorrow. But I'll do this Ethereum chart now as like our chart of the day. Again, my screen name on TradingView is BDKelly1203. Follow me on there. I do charts, a couple days a week. I am also on Steemit as well at BK Crypto Trader, and I actually just released a chart for the Steemit community yesterday, which is a Steemit exclusive release, talking about LTC to the BTC. So if you want to jump in on that one, you can peep some of that knowledge as well, right? So if you don't know, now you know. This is the Boss Method. Is patented intellectual property owned exclusively for the rights and replications of Brandon Kelly LLC. If you're a profit-seeking entity, you will not ever use it without my express written consent, or else I'm use some of this crypto money to put my lawyer to work. So I don't want to do that. Don't make me do it. But, I protect what's valuable, and this knowledge is valuable, and that's why I give it to the people for free. If you're a person, it's my gift to you. It works quite well. There are 2 simple rules. We just follow, all we need to do is follow 2 intersections, right? The 7, which is that white line, and the 77, which is that blue line. The 231 kind of gives us the long-term money inside a chart. But all we got to do is know when that 7 goes above that 77, just like it did right there, it's time to get paid, right? So that's what we follow. When the white goes above, you buy. When the white boat goes below, it's got to go, right? Buy it, sell it, right? And if we would have did that, just that easy, this is Verge, we would have made 2,000% in 20 days. That's not too bad, right? You notice right now we actually have another buy signal on Verge, even though we're underwater. By underwater, I mean we're under the 231, but technically this is a buy down here. You still could have made 5% in 4 days on Bitcoin. That's not too bad given the market, right?
Like a boss. Huh.